Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kia Forte faster. We'll cover key areas to enhance your car's performance, starting with simple modifications and moving to more advanced upgrades. Understanding these changes will help you achieve a noticeable improvement in both speed and driving dynamics. Get ready to transform your Kia Forte into a more exhilarating ride with practical, effective strategies. To truly unleash your Kia Forte's potential, focus on engine enhancements. A cold air intake is a great first step, allowing your engine to breathe easier and potentially adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system can reduce back pressure, further improving power delivery. For the most significant gains, an ECU tune optimizes your engine's computer, fine-tuning fuel and ignition for maximum output. Beyond engine power, improving your Kia Forte's handling is crucial for a faster feel. Upgrading to high-performance tires provides superior grip, translating to better acceleration and cornering. Installing coilovers or lowering springs will significantly enhance your car's stability and reduce body roll, making it feel more planted. Don't forget lightweight wheels. They reduce unsprung mass, which improves both acceleration and braking. Maintaining your Kia Forte is just as important as any upgrade. Regular oil changes and filter replacements ensure your engine performs at its peak efficiency. After all your modifications, a professional dyno tune is highly recommended to ensure everything works in harmony, maximizing your gains safely. Also, for those looking to improve their financial health, check the description for a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.